Look at this. This is just something you wouldn't expect here in New England. All right, so we are here in Salem, off one of the arteries, one of the main streets that walk around. And we're gonna check out what I definitely consider to be the oddest street in Salem. By far, the oddest street in Salem. What do I mean by that? Well, it's odd. Well, hold on. All right, so what do I mean by the oddest? Salem is known for its witches, pirates, all that kind of stuff. But this street, I just don't get it. It's almost like you're in Europe. Don't know how to quite to explain it. Ever since I was a kid, I've always been to the street and said, something about the street looks different. Looks like somewhere in Europe, which makes sense. I mean, this is New England, but I don't know. I'll let you figure it out. I like it though. All right, folks, welcome to Orne Square. And well, this is what I was talking about. So once you go past these first two initial houses, it's almost kind of like you step into Italy or Greece, or I don't know. You can almost hear like European music being played at the moment already. It's Orne Square, circa 1916. Yeah, English style townhouses. I think it's really cool. Yeah, English style townhouses. It's like I said, Europe style. Check that out. So cool. Oh, one of the kitties turns 2. Happy birthday, Taco, turning 2 years old. Happy birthday, Taco. So cool though. And then it comes around to a corner, the square. And then there's 2 more of these houses like this over here. Cute little corner nook over here for hanging out. And we keep on making our way out. Like I said though, I think it's really cool. Here's the other end, and there's one more of these houses over there hiding in the corner, but we'll come back going this way. I just think it's such an odd type of architecture and homes built here in Salem. It is, you know, European looking, but then again, we are in New England, and yeah. But these things were built in 1916, so it's not like it was built in the 1600s like some of the other houses here. Look at this. This is just something you wouldn't expect here in New England. You can see the light pole up there. We've got the old school light pole. I definitely think it's cool. So riding my bike through down through here when I was a kid. It was literally something I'd always say, oh look, there's a skeleton climbing the the window shutters. Get up there, boy. And you got a little demon dog there. Yeah. And that's it. Back to Salem. Anyway, that's Orne Square. I don't know. Wanted to show you something. I keep driving by it and I go through it all the time, and I kept on saying that make a pretty decent little video. Small video, but again, it's a part of Salem that people don't see because it's kind of hidden. But if you want to check it out, Google it, Google Maps it, and park your car right around here and just walk down the road. Take some pictures, whatever. Anyway, we're heading downtown Salem. Bye.